Hello, good day. Today, we are giving a tour of our Slavic hair factory. We will lift the veil of secrecy and show you how we make hair extensions. Please come in. It all starts with the raw hair arriving at the factory, where it is carefully categorized according to its quality and then sorted by length. There are various types of raw Slavic hair that we get from our hair collectors. Virgin Slavic hair, hair that has never been treated chemically, is considered the most valuable because of its natural state. We also have fully and partially gray hair, which is normally used to create ultralight blonde shades as it does not require a harsh bleaching process. There is also hair that has been dyed by the hair donor before being cut. This is usually recolored into darker shades. Once the quality has been confirmed, thorough washing and disinfecting begins. After that, we start the main production process. The ponytails are now sewn to ensure the correct cuticle direction, which is crucial for the quality of the final product. The hair is then sent to the bleaching department, where it is lightened to the desired shade. The hair is now being bleached to a certain level, and after some further sorting will be sent to the coloring department to obtain the exact color shade. Thanks to this process, we can guarantee that the final hair color perfectly matches our clients' expectations. After coloring, the hair is gently dried in a mild, non-aggressive environment. This helps to preserve its quality and natural structure. The hair is then blended to obtain an even, solid color. Sometimes we combine several colors to get a particular shade. When the desired shade has been achieved, the hair is tied at the roots to create an even cut line that is needed for the next step in the manufacturing process. Once the hair has passed all the quality checks, the next steps involve the manual production of specific extension types: keratin bonded, tape-in, or hand-tied wefts. Any leftover hair is kept in its universal preparatory form as loose hair bundles. I want to emphasize that the important cuticle layer of the hair, which has a protective function, and the hair is never coated with silicone. This can be easily verified through a simple test. By running your fingertips from the tips to the roots of a thin strand of hair, you may hear a characteristic scrunching sound. This indicates the cuticle is intact. Before final packaging and shipping, the finished product is, once again, thoroughly checked by the quality controllers to ensure it meets the customer's requirements. Only after that is the hair handed over to the packing and dispatch department. After all the final checks, the extensions are manually tagged and labeled according to their type, length, and color. They are then packed into made-for-purpose boxes to ensure their safety and security during shipping. Well, we've now been through all the stages of our hair extension manufacturing process, from the raw materials to the finished product. I hope this short tour has given you a better understanding of all the manual and technological processes involved in creating every strand of premium quality Slavic hair extensions. Thank you for being with us on this journey.